Okay, so I have a couple of quick unboxings, and I know that one has absolutely nothing to do with the other. But this is the diamond painting that I had ordered, oh my, clear at the beginning of July, end of June, something like that. And it is this wreath that's up here in the corner. I actually bought this one here with the bird on it from, I think, Craftably, when I got my Craftably diamond paintings. Which is going to be fun. And it has the different sizes of the diamonds. I guess they call them specialty. Like here's some ovals and then the large ones. So apparently this one lights up, and this is the package that has the wiring and the light in it. And this is another little part of it. And let's take a quick look at the diamonds. I may work on this weekend and see if I can finish it. But there's the larger ones that are the solid gold. I had a lot of these when I did the Christmas cards, which I love the Christmas cards. And I'll put a picture of those right here that I got off of Amazon as well, because I just love them. They're small and I get them done quickly. But there's the pearls. See, a lot of them aren't really shiny, but they look really great on these kind of projects. A couple different sizes of reds, pretty blue. The specialty diamonds, of course. And then here's all of the other colors. There's some more of those gold like I had on that other project that I just did. I guess it was the coasters. So there's the diamonds for it, and I will I'm going to pull this out and work on it, I think, tomorrow. And the other project, which I got in the mail again finally, is the other block of the month for a quilt. And I'm trying to remember. But this is the Vintage Christmas by Holt of Bee in My Bonnet. And the block of the month started in July, which I just got it like last week as well. I know, these bags, and I'm just going to cut it because it irritates me more than anything having to try to get them back in the bag. Other people have the patience. I just don't have the patience. And so this looks like the fabric. Christmas candles block, candy cane block, city sidewalks block, candy swirl, Christmas star, and away in the manger block. This is basically just a thank you, pretty much. Nothing more. But this is the booklet that comes with it. And I know I can't show you very much of the booklet because I will get in trouble for that. But I'm hoping that there are some really good instructions in here. But it kind of tells you everything that you need. I've purchased these needles before. I don't like them very well. Not impressed with the needles. The other items are fine. I mean, I don't have any problem with that. And of course I have this cutting mat underneath is this one actually. So I do have the cutting mat. I do love the cutting mat. And on the opposite side is pink, which I love. So I have two Christmas block of the months, which obviously didn't start in July, but I didn't get this one till the end of the month, and I really didn't want to start both blocks separate from each other. If I'm going to pull out the sewing machine and get sewing, I'd rather just get them sewed, like do both of them at the same time. So we're not going to obviously get this started till this month, and I will film that as well. But that's the second block of the month club that I did join. Okay,